Do you want to know how you can log into your DWS Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your DWS Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for DWS Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of DWS account login. Hover around the profile and then click on login. In a while, you will be headed to the official login portal of DWS. You can see username and password. Go ahead and fill them up. Write down your username in this box, your password. You can check your password by clicking on this eye icon, and after your username and your password are correct, click login. This way you can log into your DWS Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the link for you to recover your account once again. If you want to create a new account, click on Open a New Account and create a DWS Mutual Fund account today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.